swings of pity, I pray draw near to me, wounded lover. It's all in praise of a comely dame I mean for to discover. As I tripped o'er the verdant plains, feathered songsters' notes they change in melody. Their voices range in praise of lovely Anne. Oh, my love, she is so divine, she's altogether pleasing. She far exceeds the sun that shines, or the stars that shine in the morning. Her neck and waist and every limb is my poor heart in Cupid's chains. Now if you wish to know her name, she's called Lovely Anne. They are so unkind, they're altogether cruel. But I dare not even speak my mind unto my darling jewel. The reason for is because I'm poor. The sight of me they couldn't endure. Not dare I ever approach the door where dwelt lovely Anne. So it's fare thee well, I must away and leave you all behind me. But if you prove a loyal love, then it's constant you will find me. For did I possess the Indian stores, I part with it all and 10 times more. All for the girl that I adore, she's called Lovely